Apple cider vinegar has been used as a natural remedy for many years and offers unique health benefits. It not only promotes our overall health, but has medicinal properties as well. It can help improve blood sugar levels and heart health, while also having tremendous antimicrobial properties. 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon per day is often recommended and can be consumed on its own or mixed in water. Now, let's discuss the amazing uses and benefits of apple cider vinegar. First, apple cider vinegar can promote our health by increasing nutrients in our body, such as important vitamins and minerals. It is an excellent source of manganese, potassium, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus, while being low in calories. It also contains good levels of acetic acid, an active compound that can promote our health and offer medicinal properties, and contains amino acids and antioxidants. Studies have also shown that consuming apple cider vinegar can help with weight loss and healthy weight management. Some studies have even shown that this could occur without drastic dietary changes, but can truly help when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Apple cider vinegar can increase satiety and reduce blood sugar and insulin levels, which can help to reduce cravings throughout the day. Apple cider vinegar can also help to improve heart health and reduce risk factors associated with heart disease. Studies have shown that regular consumption of apple cider vinegar can help to lower cholesterol levels as well as triglyceride levels in the body. It may also help to regulate blood pressure levels, and its potent antioxidants can help reduce damaging free radicals that can compromise the cardiovascular system over time. Consumption of apple cider vinegar has long been used as a natural skin promoting remedy and can be especially helpful in treating skin conditions such as eczema. This is true when applied topically, but also when consumed due to its nutrition, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. The antibacterial and antifungal benefits of apple cider vinegar are also helpful in treating unwanted skin disorders and makes this drink a natural great skin toner. Lastly, consuming apple cider vinegar regularly may be able to have benefits for those individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the disease. Studies have shown that this drink can be effective at preventing diabetes due to its ability to reduce blood sugar levels when fasting. As well, research has shown that apple cider vinegar can help improve insulin sensitivity and insulin response, as well as improve insulin function. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.